Hello, boys and girls. All right, today we're going to talk more about theme, okay? Now, remember that themes are lessons the author's trying to teach you about life, okay? Any theme can be valid if you can support it with evidence or examples from your story, okay? So, you know, within Woodsong, there are many, many themes, okay? Below here are some universal themes. I want you to decide whether this is a theme of the story, just the story. If yes, use evidence or an example from the text to support your claim. So you can just put a Y or an N, and then I want you to write incomplete sentences. Evidence to support or an example to support that theme, okay? And if you look on this next page of your assignment, it'll be your turn, okay? I want you to come up with your own themes from the book, themes that are not already being used, okay? Use evidence or examples to support that and prove how the reader is learning the lesson from this book. So write down the theme and then give an example or evidence to support that from Woodsong. This is all about the book Woodsong, okay? And last but not least, we're talking about what is the theme. So you need to go through and answer each THEME. T is, why is the title a good fit? Think about that. Woodsong. H, how does the main character change? E, explain the emotions of the main character. M, what was the mood of the story? Remember when we talked about mood? How did you feel? What was the mood? And then E, what is the enduring message about life in the story Woodsong? Okay, make sure again that you're writing complete sentences. All right, go to work. Talk about theme. If you can't remember or you need to listen to another chapter, go ahead and go back and re-listen to the audio that's in your Woodsong folder. See you later.